Welcome to the tutorial session of exploring dashboard of DroneNaksha. Select DroneNaksha on AeroMegh dashboard. Welcome screen will pop up along with instructions notes for DroneNaksha. Read carefully and proceed. Here you will see recent activities including created projects, image sets, and maps. Also browse maps, images, tasks in list view or grid view. When you click on the drag down, you will see multiple options. By clicking on plans, it will display all the plans created. By clicking on image set, all created image sets would appear. Proceeding with maps, all processed maps will be seen. By clicking on the side icon, you will see all the maps created with its name, size of the file, area covered, and processing date. Proceed by clicking on creating a new map. Here you need to fill in a valid project name and a plan name. And click on next. To create new image set, you need to add a valid name and proceed with next. By clicking on add, DroneNaksha will allow you to select images from your device. Select multiple images to upload for processing. Here you can see the status of images being uploaded. You can click on any image and view the image as well as zoom in the same. You can change the view of images from grid to list as well as arrange in ascending or descending order. The same data can be viewed on a stitched map to examine the same. Click, view and zoom in any area to inspect closely. You can select images using pointer or polygon, mark up and delete certain images if the need be. On clicking yes, successful deletion of images would be displayed. You can zoom in to cross-verify the deletion. You can click on the plan to check logs of the same. Created images would appear under image sets. All the tasks would be seen in Task Center. By clicking on Help you would be directed to the user manual. You can read and refer user manual for guidance. Thank you for watching DroneNaksha tutorial video.